Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm talking about how to find and access the shop on TikTok. So first off, let us try doing this. So just type in TikTok shop. So what I figured out is that TikTok shop isn't always available because I suppose they did not open it up and make it available in all regions. So for example, if I go to shop right over here, as you can see, it just gets me to the seller page, but not the buyer page. Also, if I click on here, TikTok shop, as you can see, this is just some tutorial page. And what else do we have? We have a seller once again. So as you can see, for me, it's just not available anywhere. So in order to access it, you just need to be inside of a country that supports TikTok shop. And then you just can go ahead and use it. So for example, if I go to TikTok into the normal sites, let me go to the normal sites, you go to TikTok, and here on this left panel, you will see the shop. All right, so as you can see on this panel, you should see shop. In my case, as you can see, I'm logged in into my account and I can't actually access it. Well, that's because probably my account is under the restriction, either it's temporary or permanent, I have no idea. But you should be having the shop section right over here. And if your region supports it, click on it and you should be able to browse the items and purchase. Enjoy the video, my friends. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.